You ever set oil on fire?
Fire's easy, just blow it off. Hello guys, welcome to Wok Wednesday. Welcome back. I'm Lance from School of Wok. Today we're cooking salt and pepper squid. In this video, I will teach you how to achieve the best crisp and color for your deep fried dishes. First thing we're doing, we are prepping the squid. So we've got some frozen squid today, but if you are buying the fresh ones, make sure to check out this video.
From the side.
Either way. Okay, and yeah. So first thing, you want to open it. So you want to scrape off these bits, otherwise they will just taste really fishy. Stuff like this. Throw them away. I'm not just throwing it on the floor. I got a bin here. Okay, half them. And you want to start scoring it. So first, you slice at an angle, but not cutting through it. The other way, diagonally. Score it again. And the reason why we're scoring it is because later when we deep fry them, or when you cook them, it will just like curl up like flour. Basically look really nice. Half again. Into small pieces like this. Okay. So same for the other half. Okay. And now we wash our hands, wash our chopping boards and knife. Okay, so when I make salt and pepper dishes, let's say, I don't usually just salt and pepper, literally. I make my own spice salt, white peppercorn for a bit of spice, black peppercorn, the classic, and a bit of Sichuan peppercorn for a bit of like tongue-numbing taste. And we've got some cumin, fennel, and the powder-wise, we got chili powder, MSG, yum powder, and a bit of garlic powder. And now we're gonna just toast whole spices, not the powder one. We're gonna add it in later. We're gonna add the powder ingredients later because if you add it in too early, it will burn. So the whole spices first. You want to toast the spices to really release that aroma, the fragrance. But if you really can't be bothered, just mix all the powder together, give it a light toast. This one, it takes a bit of patience. You need to like really gently, not on a high heat. High heat burns straight away. You need to get all the heat inside the spices. And what we're looking for is the white peppercorn to turn a bit darker. You should smell the fragrance. Okay, as you can see, most of the fennel and the cumin has turned golden brown, and the white peppercorn turned a bit darker as well. I'm gonna add in my salts, just get a bit of moisture out. It's about 3 teaspoons. Let's add in the salt, just mix it well. I'm gonna turn it off. Add all the powder in. Mix well. Okay, and you want to transfer it to your pestle and mortar. Just start grinding it. Okay, after you grind them, we're gonna sift it. Just make it finer. At the end, you add in a bit of sugar. Then you mix it well. And now we batter the squid. Okay, and first thing, for the squid, we're going to marinate with a tiny bit of salt we made earlier. Just mix well. Now we're adding in the yolk. Only the yolk, because we need a bit of the nice color. Okay. And after the yolk, again, my secret ingredients, just a tiny bit of custard powder here. It gives a really nice yellow color and also some really nice creamy kind of flavor as well. And at the end, corn flour. Roughly about 1.5 tablespoons here. don't forget, separate them with a bit of veggie oil. Comes out crispier. Now we wash hands and heat up the oil. Heat up the oil so you can test it. You can test it with a piece of like wooden chopstick. When it's bubbling quite a bit, it's ready. Lay it down. When you're doing deep fry, don't be scared of the oil. You go low and lay down away from you. So splash other people, not you, okay?
Splash the cameraman.
Splash the cameraman. So I'm facing like towards Arthur. Make sure you check out our new menu in School of Wok. We're doing this dish in our new seafood and fish course. Once it's nicely crispy, take it out, put it on a paper towel. We're gonna double fry it later. You do the other half. So we got a bit of splashing here. That's because I forgot to pat it dry. Make sure you do that. And once it's nicely kind of golden brown, we're not looking for the final color you look for, because we're gonna double fry it for the extra crisp. Just like that. That's for it. The reason why we double fry it, first time of frying, you just want to cook the ingredients and also get all the moisture kind of expelled to the surface. If you can see, it's getting a bit soggy because we only fried it once. So once it cools down a bit more, we're gonna double fry it and also get it really golden brown. Okay, second time of frying, get your oil really hot because this one takes shorter. Face the cameraman. High heat. As the bubbles calm down slightly, you're about to take it out. We're just looking for the golden brown color. Once it's nicely golden brown, it's really crispy as well. We're gonna take it out. And again, on the paper towel, you can actually hear it sizzling. So in the wok here, just a tiny bit of oil. You go in, spring onions, stems. Add it slightly. I'm on a medium-low heat. Some garlic. Fry out until it's fragrant. Bit of red pepper, dice for the color. You cook it, all the squid goes back in. And you just toss it well. Just a pinch of salt and of the spice salts we made, okay? And also spring onions. And we serve. Black sesame seeds. That's my version of salt and pepper squid. Okay, now we tuck in. Pretty crispy outside, soft inside, not overcooked. Nice deep flavor with the spiced salt. Love it. Okay, thanks for watching. This is our salt and pepper squid. Let us know what other deep fried dishes you would like us to make. Comment down below. I will see you next week. Bye!